By this point, you have probably watched episode 1, the introduction to Project Lightning, my super awesome collaboration with Othais and May over at CN Arsenal, our massive test of every light machine gun and automatic rifle from World War I. Hopefully, you have also realized that episode 2, the 100-yard accuracy testing, is also available right now because each week we're posting one video here on Forgotten Weapons and one over there on CN Arsenal. However, once you've finished watching those two, you're going to be left all sad and depressed because you'll be out of awesome World War I light machine gun action until next Thursday when the next 2 episodes come out. And then a week after that, and another week after that even, to get to the last 2. However, we thought about this and we realized we could come up with an awesome way to let people watch everything right now in exchange for helping us pay for the thousands of rounds of ammunition that we put downrange in the making of this series. So if you go over to cnarsenal.com, there's a link in the description, you can actually purchase early access to all remaining 6 episodes for $6. We figured that made sense, $1 an episode. They will all be on YouTube if you're willing to wait, like a sucker. So if you go over there right now, you can get the other 6 episodes that aren't aired yet. That would be the disassembly testing, the reload testing, the total destruction testing, which just has to be awesome based on that name alone, as well as our final conclusions, our roundup on what is in fact the best and what is the worst light machine gun or automatic rifle of World War I. The answer may surprise you. And perhaps most entertaining of all, you'll have access to the 20-minute blooper reel of all the stuff that Othais warned me we shouldn't let out onto the internet at all. All of that is available for download right now over at CN Arsenal if you want to be the awesome sort of person who gets to see it all at this very moment instead of waiting like a sucker.